98.5. Hey guys, welcome back. The 67's on the lift. Dubworks dropped in to give us a hand with the old half pan install. So let's get under this thing and get to work.
So before we can get the new floor pan in or the old one cut out, we gotta remove some stuff. Gotta take out this rear seat support bar. Factory is 10mm bolts, there's one on each side. Voltage regulator wires hooked to it with two little metal tangs. You just gotta pull those back and they'll come off. The front seat's gotta come out. The rear seat bottom's gotta come out. This slides on a track. This one you kind of push back and pops up. And hiding down here, there's a cable and a tube for your heat. That's welded in one spot to the floor pan. You'll probably have to cut that out unless yours isn't rusted back there. What?
That's the biggest weld I've ever seen. That's ridiculous.
There you go.
God.
So we gotta pull the seats out now. Different years are different. Normally there's a little paddle up on the front. Should just slide right off. 71, 72 and up. There's a little safety tab you gotta push down too. But this one should just slide out, but it won't now. Might have to kick it from the back. Get it forward more. But it's a little stuck. That's normal. So you're gonna have to hold the lever while I kick.
Buddy.
What? How is that gonna work? You wanna kick?
Yeah, get out of the way.
I'll get out of the way. Oh, you're gonna hit it.
Hit it.
Well, I didn't want to ruin your nice upholstery. There you go.
Just needed a little love tap. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Tap, tap, taparoo. There it goes.
Nice.
Now why don't you bring this seat home?
And recover it for you?
Yeah.
While it's in the shop?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna call Wolfsburg West and ask them to overnight you a seat kit.
Set of red seats?
Got it.
Cool.
Flashlight down. Alright, moving right along. It took me about 9 years to just cut this one weld off of that. That was ridiculous.
So we've got this big hole here, as you can see. You've got some options with how you want to replace it, but basically this one's only really rotted to this first bend, so we can cut it in here, at least for this section. This section we might have to get a little higher on this side, but we really want to stay away from these seat rails. The patch panel does come up all the way, but if you have to take these out, there's quite a few spot welds and you have to get them right back where they were, else your seat's going to be a little messed up. That might be a little too punky to weld too, we'll see.
This thing scares the shit out of me.
That's what the guard's for.
Unbelievable.
I've never had that happen.
Where's the plastic cutter? That's why I don't like those things. I do not like cutting discs. Trying to get all this undercoating off. You get the idea. So we're back with Dubworks. Dubworks brought me over some copper weld through primer, the good stuff.
The good stuff.
So we're gonna go ahead and heat this panel up because it's still 32 degrees in here. Use the salamander there. Get our primer a little more warmer metal to stick to. And we'll get this thing tacked in. What are you thinking?
Thinking we gotta get this welded in.
Good.
Make it solid.
Good. So we're using the MIG 135 from Eastwood. I think it came with 0.23 or 24 wire, I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Getting our first coat of weld through primer on there. Look at this Frankenstein piece of metal. So we started in the middle. I had burned through, and then Dub turned it down so that middle one looked good. Another good one here. A couple good ones on the end. Penetration wise, looking good. And I tried to lay a bead down and burn through, but started out well there. So we're gonna go with that. Get welding. Yeah, I think we were a little cold on the first few. We turned the heat up a little bit. Welds are looking better. What are you thinking, Dub?
I think you use a little heat.
You want to try it? Go ahead, turn it up a little.
They're looking a lot better.
Turn it up a little bit. Let's see. I just don't want to burn through the.
Try that one.
Can it go up?
Yeah, I went up.
We're going up. Second floor, ladies' lingerie.
No?
It doesn't look.
Alright, hold on.
Ah.
Try that. Yep.
Need to give me a turbo?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one was like. What'd you do with heat or you go?
I went wire.
I would go maybe less wire speed, more heat.
I think I went more heat, less wire speed. And
Yeah.
I just bumped them both up and then I bumped one down. I don't know what it's at now. It's a lot of heat in the same wire speed. Yeah.
You like that?
I like that. I like the sound of that.
All right. He likes it. Yeah, you nailed it.
Nailed it.
Not bad. Looks a little moundy, no?
You're catching this metal more than this. Start over here
Right there.
and drag it into the.
All right. Better?
Yeah. Keep doing that. Starting on the new pan and dragging it. Or if you can,
Here we go.
that works. You can also try and stick the wire, feel it, grab that, and then just do a tack there, and then it's right in between them.
Okay. I feel some Schlagerooskies coming down, huh?
Yeah, they're popping down on you.
I smell something on fire. What is it?
I don't smell anything.
There's my coat.
I see something. Smoke.
Something's burning.
Yeah.
Are we burning inside?
Yeah, probably.
You ever drop a slag into your foot,
Yeah.
into your sock,
Yeah.
down your shoe?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's not good.
No.
Ow,
Yeah?
I'm on fire. A welding coat
Yeah.
would be great.
Yeah, they are.
This thing is
All
this
starting
thing
to...
is all singed up. Thanks.
Yep.
I'm not gonna weld over here, I think. That was a bad weld. Oh, that's a huge gap.
It is a huge gap. But you can fill it. You can, since you got a weld here, just keep welding off of that weld. Yeah, be quick though.
That was too long?
Like, what I mean, like you have to, like if you're here, you gotta probably stand here. And you grab it, and you
Pull it.
buzz it, and it real quick just keeps going buzz, buzz,
Buzz, buzz, tic tac, tic tac,
buzz,
got it.
buzz. Just start making a beat. Not actually making one, but it kind of is.
Yeah.
You're stacking them just to fill the gap.
Gotcha. Ow!
Fire?
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Down the off, huh?
You should really wear a welding coat when welding under a car.
That one's not bad.
That's gonna leave a mark. Well, that's where we're at. Just tacking in the pan. Welds don't look too bad. I'm pretty happy with those.
What? That middle one's not bad.
What a mess. Which one?
That one's not bad.
You can beat off of that thing, huh?
Well, I don't know about that.
All right, no? All right. Where's the seam sealer?
Yeah.
Whatever I can't fix, I can hide.
Is that a quote from Earl Scheib?
I don't know. Where's your ear protection?
What are your
Look at
protections?
all the rust you're knocking on the floor. Coming off of that.
Come off of that. This is tight now.
All right.
I think you'd be able to.
All right, let's go for it.
You see what you can do.
Give me a chance to totally redeem myself. Can't
As
see.
you hit your head on the.
No,
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 no.
no, no.
I think I'm on fire in there.
Again?
Listen. No? Anything in there?
I'm deaf, so
Yeah.
I don't see smoke coming up.
All right, we're done. This is it. We are done. Out with the bad and with the good. All right, well, that's going to do it, guys. Brooks and I are going to head out to get some chow. More updates on the 67. I'll go ahead and finish getting it tacked in, seam seal it. He's hungry. I'm hungry. We're going to hit it. So check out Dubworks channel. Special thanks to Robbie for coming by, giving me a hand with rear pan install. Appreciate it. So you guys have a great week, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys. That's right. Have a great week, because it's going to be a week of me and Matt from Barn Dubs on this 63 ragtop most of you guys are aware we brought it home. Today is Friday the 22nd, okay? Josh wants me to take him fishing today. It's 1:15, we're gonna go around 3. Tomorrow's Foxborough Supercross. Sunday will be the first day I will start working on this car to get to the dust off, which is May 1st. Jen's leaving for Italy, so I won't be able to burn the midnight oil here at the shop to get it done. It's gonna have to get done during the day while Josh is at school. Well, that being said, I have a lot of work to do this week. Again, Matt will be here to give me a hand, which I super appreciate. Some more updates on this. Will I make it to the dust off? Full brakes need to be done. Fuel system, there's no engine in the car. The engine is seized somewhere. So that's it. More updates on this car this week. I'm gonna try to get it on the road with the help from Matt from Barn Dove. So now you guys can have a great week and wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. Appreciate it. Take care. We'll see you soon. Looks like Junior's already one up me. Let me see, what do you got?
Nice fat bass.
Oh, that's a fatty.
That's a fat bass.
Little guy, but little fatty. Got the wind kind of blowing in on us, so it's tough.
Nice bass.
Looks good, healthy.
Yeah,
That's what we like to see, healthy fish. Lost them.
No, I got him.
Oh, you did?
3-1 now?
3-1?
Yep.
Let me see.
Still a really
Another
fat bass.
Another fatty, huh? Nice. Oh my goodness. That's a mini 10 pounder.
Yeah.
This guy just came up and gobbled it right here. I think Dad's got you on the size right now. Here.
You got me on the size right now. That thing's big. Oh, I have to switch to that worm. That's a nice bass.
About 11 incher.
Probably.
Go get big.
Go get big.
Came and whacked it right there.
Wow. All right, here you go.
What's that, 3-2?
Yep.
3-2. It's 4-3. I just tied it too. It's 4-3. 4-4. How'd the day go?
Good.
Yeah?
Yep.
How good? Don't stop, talk to us for a minute. How'd the day go?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who won?
Me.
Oh, that's not true.
You.
6-4. It's all right. Usually he outfishes me, so I'll take the W though. Tough conditions out there, tough conditions. So, see, I got lucky.